Hello and welcome in this video. In this video, what I would like to share with you all is the whiteboard applications that you can use for online teaching. As a first thing, what we have available within Moodle via WebEx, and within Moodle the WebEx you have has got two options, which is a training center and a meeting center. If you are delivering sessions live for your students for online delivery, you would use the training center. And within the training center, what you have is, if you click on share, you have the option of a whiteboard which you can use while you're delivering the session. And please note, you can also record your WebEx sessions that you're delivering to your students. So along with the whiteboard that you can use to annotate, write, and do anything that you would want, you can also record the sessions and share the whiteboard with the students, which can then be downloaded by the students in the video file, and they can see the whiteboard along with the PowerPoint slides that you would have shared. So that is one option for using a whiteboard application if that is the need. The second option is the Google Jamboard. The Google Jamboard is available just by clicking on the Google Apps on the corner over here, and if you scroll down, you should see Google Jamboard over here. When you click on it, you should see an option to create a Jamboard, which is, if I click on the new Jam, it would just create a whiteboard application like this, where I have the option to use a pen tool to write anything or even to type anything. I have the option to add images from Google Drive. I can even share this with my students so they can collaborate together and they can actually add things to it. You can also have sticky notes where students can type in and put sticky notes onto the Jamboard. And the good part is, once the Jamboard is finished, or once you've done the collaboration, you can also download that as a PDF. So the whole document can be downloaded as a PDF, and then it is easier for you to put it on Moodle where students can see what would have happened. If you have a need of recording what is happening on the Jamboard, you can use Camtasia Relay in the background while people are collaborating, and then that's one way of recording the Jamboard. And finally, if you are a Windows 10 user, on Windows, within the Windows Store, you have the option of a Microsoft Whiteboard, which you can install, and it's completely free to install. And the good part about the whiteboard is it allows you to have different paper types, which you can change from changing the background of the format or changing the canvas. And then you can use any of the pens to actually draw something. Now, this is ideal if you are delivering topics within economics or accounting and finance, or even mathematics, where you can draw a certain graphs and show the students while recording using Camtasia Relay of how each of them work. You have options of using different pens or different colors, so you can actually elaborate that in a nice way by using the tools and actually recording this whiteboard and then putting up on Moodle for your students to engage and listen to what you were trying to explain. I hope you find these options useful. If you have any questions, do contact us. Thank you.